Warning: before you begin, this video is not a replacement for reading and understanding the precautions and procedures outlined in the service manual. It is a training aid for qualified and authorized service professionals. Also, be sure to reference the user manual, the installation guide, and the service manual for any further questions as well as warnings that may apply to this particular unit. Begin by removing the tabletop display from the top of the refrigerator. Then, loosen the 3 screws holding the hinge in place. Gently lift up on the door and slide the C-clip into place. Retighten the screws and reattach the tabletop display.